Hey YouTubers, Hi Chip at 45LC here. I'm going to show off my Father's Day present, combination anniversary present. We got here a Ruger single 6. Y'all been watching my channel, y'all know I really love these single action guns, and this is one of the old style Ruger single 6s with the 3 screws. And just for everybody out there, I'll show you that it's not loaded. So this gun is fires real good, but it's seen its better days for wear. Don't know if you can see, but blue's wearing off of the barrel. A little bit off the chamber here. So I'm gonna do a little experimenting with this gun when I get the chance, and I'm going to case harden this frame, and then I'll re-blue the barrel and the cylinder for my own unique version of this Ruger single 6. And for those of you who don't know, this is a 22. Got a nice stout barrel for 22. Like I said, it's a good little gun. Very accurate. Disassemble this thing right quick, take the cylinder out. Most of the time these Ruger single 6s do come with a 22 mag barrel, but I bought this used, so all I got was the 22 rimfire long rifle. But like I said, she's a good little gun. As you can tell, these stocks need to be refinished, so that'll be part of the redo of the gun when I get the opportunity. Like I said, she's a great little gun. I think I've maybe put 50 rounds through it since I had it, just, you know, doing a little test firing, make sure that it works, everything lines up, and like I said, it's a good little gun. But like I said, that's my my Father's Day present, along with my anniversary present. It's got a blade sight on the front, standard sight on the rear. Great little target pistol. And like I said, if you've watched this channel at all, you've seen my my other single action, my Ruger Vaquero. Just love that Ruger Vaquero, and love shooting it. But this will be a whole lot cheaper to play with. Well, that is if you can find the 22 ammunition these days. Like I said, this is the Ruger single 6. Great little gun. Anyway, I'll hope to get some videos of this soon out on the range. Like I said, I have shot it a few times, but I didn't have the camera with me when I did, so hopefully I'll get some videos of this gun out there on the range soon. Anyway, thanks for watching.